Hello friends, welcome to the video tutorials of Object Oriented Programming. This is Rajul Suthar, Assistant Professor of Sri Swaminarayan Institute of Technology, Bard Gandhinagar. In the Unit 7, previously we have discussed about the JavaFX, its overview. Like JavaFX is the software platform or libraries to develop the desktop application, and it provide the rich internet application which can run on a desktop, browser as well as mobile, and it is an open source and replacement of a Swing framework. The JavaFX make easy to create a modern looking graphical user interface with the sophisticated visual effect. JavaFX provide its own components, so it does not depend on the operating system. In this session we will discuss about how to perform or how to create the JavaFX application. So step to create the JavaFX application. First we have to prepare the scene graph with the required node. Then prepare a scene with the required dimension and add the scene graph root node of the scene graph to it. Then prepare a stage and add the scene to a stage and display the content of a stage. What is a stage? Previously we have discussed stage is a one container that hold the scene. It contain various user interface object and component for designing. It is a similar to the frame in the Java Swing. The stage object must be created and modified on the JavaFX application. So this is the stage. Prepare the scene graph. The root node is the first node. You need to create a root node if it is chosen from group, region or web view. Group, region and web view also discuss while we have discussed the architecture. So group is a number of child element, and what is a web view? Web view is used to JavaFX code inside the web content like HTML content, and it's covered into the media engine. It is one type of a package that contains the class and interface for media functionality. Group node is represented by the class name group which belong to the package. Which package? JavaFX.scene. You can create a group node by instantiating this class as a shown below. This is the class. Like we create the group node, group root, so its object is created by using the new keyword group, and group root is equal to new group root with parameter node object. Prepare a scene graph. First region. So what do you mean by region? It is a base class of all the JavaFX node UI control such as a chart. First chart is this is the class, base class, all the chart, and it's belong to the package javafx.scene.chart which embed the chart in a application. Then pen is a base class of all the layouts pen such as a anchor pen, border pen, dialog pen, etc. This class belong to the package that is called the javafx.scene.layout which insert the predefined layout in your application. Control is used. It is the base class of the user interface control such as a accordion, button bar, choice box means we have select particular item, combo box and HTML editors. This class belong to the package javafx.scene.control. So control that cover the all element same like the HTML control. Then web view, this node manage the web engine and display its content. Generally we can add the HTML and other markup content to the scene graph. JavaFX has a web view which use the internal open source browser to render the document object, HTML5 and JavaScript. It also useful to apply some style to UI component by Cascaded Style Sheet. This package contains all the class and interface that can provide the media functionality to the Java application. Then preparing a scene. Again, we require the JavaFX scene is represented by the scene class of a package JavaFX.scene. So we require the object for the scene. Scene is equal to new. So new is the one keyword used to create the object of scene with the parameter root, width and height. While instantiating, it is the mandatory to pass the root object to the constructor of a scene class, where width and height of the scene are the optional parameter to the constructor. This is the constructor. Stage is the container of any JavaFX application, and it provides the window for the application. It is represented by the stage class of a package JavaFX.stage. An object of this class is passed as a parameter of start method of the application class. Using this object, various operation on the stage can be performed. So which type of operation is performed? Like set the title, attach the scene, display the content. Means set the title is for the stage using the method set title. So how can we use this method? By using this way: primary stage dot set title, in the bracket we required a sample application. Then attach the scene. How can we attach? Like a object. So object to the stage using the set scene method. So this method is used. Primary stage dot set scene, and display the content of the scene using the show method as shown below. Primary stage dot show. Let me discuss the life cycle of JavaFX application. So the JavaFX application class has a 3 life cycle method. First is a start method, that is called the entry point. This method where the JavaFX graphics code is written. Then stop method. Stop method means an empty method which can be overridden. Here the logic to stop the application is written. Init means initialization. An empty method which can be overridden. The stage of a scene cannot be created in this method. It also provides the static method named launch method to launch the Java application JavaFX. This method is called from static component only main method is used. Whenever a JavaFX application is launched, the following action can be carried out, like in the same order. Like an instance of application class is created first, then initialization method is used. So init method is called, start method is called. This launcher wait for the application to finish and call the stop method. Generally stop method is a ending method, so it used for the garbage collection and complete the life cycle. This is the simple example for the JavaFX. So we require the import statement. 4 import statement is required, like JavaFX.application, then JavaFX.scene.group, scene.scene, scene.plain colors, JavaFX.stage if you require the stage, then public class. This is the name of a class, JavaFX sample. It extends the application, so extends, and we return the superclass, and it override. So in the body part we have written the override method. Public void start stage, primary stage, and here if any exception will be covered, then we use the try and catch. Here object of a group is created. So group root is equal to new group, that is called the create a scene graph using the group region or a web view. So this way you can create a scene. Scene is equal to new scene. Root, this first parameter, we require the height and width. So 600 and 300. Create a scene by adding the group. First element, that is called the parent element. Root is a parent node. To it along with the width and height. Second is a width and third parameter is a height. Scene dot set fill, we set the color dot brown. Then primary stage dot set title sample application. This is required to set the scene to stage object. So primary stage, which is passed as an object. Primary stage dot show, this method is used. Then public static void main string argument s, we launch the argument by using the launch in the bracket arguments. Here the program is completed. So try this program after installing your NetBeans and check the each and every libraries required for the JavaFX. 2D shape, what do you mean by 2D shape? 2D shape is a geometrical figure that can be drawn on the XY plane, like the line, rectangle, circle, etc. Using the JavaFX library, you can draw the predefined shape like line, rectangle, circle, ellipse, polygon, polyline, cubic curve, chord curve, and arc. Path element means move to one location to another location, that is called the move to path element. Line, horizontal line, vertical line, cubic curve, all things this element cover into the path element. And 2D shape by parsing the SVG path. This is used to parse the SVG path. Each of the above mentioned 2D shape is represented by the class which belong to the package. Which package? javafx.scene.shape. The class name shape is the base class of all two-dimensional shape in the Java. That's all cover into the two-dimensional shape in Java. 2D shape generally it is a geographical figure that can be drawn in XY plane. So we all familiar with the XY plane. The class shape is the base class of two-dimensional. If we are using the like one example, rectangle can be created by creating the rectangle class. The object and argument are rectangle starting coordinate x and y, width and height. So rectangle R1 required the new rectangle, that is first root. We require the x and y. So x and y is 100 and we use the width and height 150 and 100 because rectangle cover the width value is higher than height value, so it become the rectangle. Class for the shape we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you for attending the session. Please like and subscribe the channel.